The tools you will need are the large hex key. Put the plug in to ensure that nothing gets lost. Unscrew the shower hose. Unscrew the diverter knob. This should be hand tight. Then insert the 12mm hex key in the underside of the spout. And undo the diverter section and pull out from the base, and the complete unit will come away. Rinse or soak in descaler as necessary. To replace, check the body housing to ensure no debris is present. Flush if necessary. Grease the O-ring and working parts on the diverter using a suitable silicone lubricant. Insert the diverter back into the body from the underside. Tighten using the 12mm hex key. Replace the diverter knob, hand tight, and test operation.